Hi boys and girls, we're practicing writing our names. And today we are going to not only write our name, but count how many letters are in our name. So you're going to need a piece of paper and you're going to need something to write with. So on this piece of paper, I'm going to begin by writing my first name. And all names begin with an uppercase letter. My first name is Patsy. And I spell Patsy, and I'm going to push this down so maybe you can see it a little bit. Patsy is spelled P, uppercase P, A, T, S, Y. And here is how my first name, Patsy, looks. The next thing I want to do is count how many letters I have in my name. So you want to help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters in my first name. And I'm going to write that down right there. Now, I'm going to challenge myself, and I'm going to write my last name. My last name is Iannacone. So I'm going to write it underneath. And as I said, all names begin with an uppercase letter. So I'm going to start by writing my last name. I, A, N, N, A, C, O, N, E. So here we have my first name, Patsy, and my last name, Iannacone. Just by looking at this, I can tell that my last name has a lot more letters than my first name. Look at how much space it took me to write that. So can you help me count the letters in my last name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters in my last name. Was I right? Are there more letters in my last name than in my first name? Definitely more. And you know what I'm noticing? In my first name, I don't have any letters that are the same. P, A, T, S, Y. I didn't repeat any letter's name, but look at my last name. Do you guys see any letters that are the same in my last name? If you said A, you're right. I'm going to circle those. I have 2 A's in my name. Do you see anything else? If you said N, you're right too. I'm going to underline the N's in my name. How many N's do I have in my name? Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3. So look at that. In my last name, I have 2 letter A's and 3 letter N's. If you want to have some fun, you can write the names of other people in your family and count how many letters on their name. You can compare to see who has the most letters of their name. And a super challenge is how many letters are in both your first and last name all together. Can you help me with that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All together, I have 14 letters in my first and last name. I hope you have fun writing your name and practicing your letters and counting.